Generative AI has made programming easier than ever. With the right prompts, you can essentially let the LLMs write the code for you. This practice has been recently dubbed vibe coding. Today, we're going to use Cursor to vibe code with Vonage's APIs. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that not only helps you write code, but injects it directly into your files as you go. Cursor has a powerful feature that lets you add external context to your codebase. This context can include files, websites, or GitHub repos. But in our case, we're going to add the Vonage API documentation directly. To import Vonage's docs, in Cursor, go to Docs and then click Add New Doc. Enter developer.vonage.com/en/API for the entry point and then confirm. Cursor will load the most recently indexed version of the docs from its servers, but you can choose to re-index it if needed. Once imported and activated, Cursor's built-in AI assistant will recognize and understand Vonage-specific terms. For example, if you vaguely ask, "What's the channel for WhatsApp?" it will know that what you're really asking is, what value should you add for the field channel when using the Messages API to send a WhatsApp message? Without that added context, the AI might not understand what you mean and might ask for more clarification or just give you the wrong answer. Now that it's working, let's have Cursor help us send an interactive WhatsApp message from Vonage's sandbox environment. I have a bash script with a curl command that sends a simple WhatsApp text from the sandbox to my personal phone number. I copied this curl command directly from the Messages API sandbox in Vonage's API dashboard. If you don't have access to the sandbox yet, don't worry. It only takes a couple minutes to create an account and get access to the sandbox. A video tutorial on how to do so is linked in the description. This script looks good, but let's take it a step further by changing the message type to an interactive message. I'm going to highlight the section I want to change and add it to the chat for more context. Let's tell it to ask something like, "Do you like pepperoni pizza? Yes or no?" Okay, perfect. It gives me the option to update my script. I'm going to accept these changes. Now let's run it in the terminal. And it worked. I received the interactive message in WhatsApp. We've successfully created fully functional code using Vonage's Messages API without having to write it manually. If you want to see how to reply to the message, check out some of our tutorials on the Vonage developer blog. Of course, while LLMs can be incredibly helpful, they're not always perfect. Having some programming knowledge is still essential for using them to generate code. For more updates on Vonage's APIs, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and visit developer.vonage.com.